6:52 your time right now. Time for the morning sprint. Today is an alert day. Haddie has the latest on severe weather, and Eden is at the Dane County Courthouse where a woman accused of stealing thousands of dollars from families will face a judge this morning. But we start at the state capitol, where late last night the state assembly passed a bill designed to prohibit people with pre-existing health conditions from being excluded from health insurance coverage. Republicans brought the issue up after midnight Thursday, and it passed along a party line vote about an hour afterwards. Democrats objected, saying Republicans should have voted on their proposal to prohibit insurance companies from imposing lifetime limits on coverage.
Joseph Jakubowski will be back in both federal and state court today as his cases get closer to a jury. He's accused of stealing more than a dozen firearms from a Janesville gun store earlier this year and leading officers on a nationwide manhunt for a week afterwards. If he's convicted specifically on the federal charges, he could be sentenced to nearly 200 years in prison.
A man convicted of sexual assault could be out on bond today after serving almost 3 decades behind bars. Richard Buranek was convicted of raping a Stoughton woman back in the 80s. A group of attorneys with the Innocence Project are hoping to overturn his conviction with new DNA evidence. The man representing Buranek was a former client of the Innocence Project who had his wrongful conviction overturned.
I'm Eden Checkle, live outside of the Dane County Courthouse, and this is where a former daycare owner will have her initial hearing later this morning. Megan Grundahl, who is the owner of the Giving Tree, faces felony charges after shutting down her daycare center and stealing money from parents. The daycare told parents it was temporarily closed for maintenance repairs. It was also operating under an expired license. A criminal complaint alleges Grundahl overcharged one family a total of $16,000. Another parent was out $1,100. Grundahl's initial hearing is set for 8:30 this morning at the Dane County Courthouse.
And today is an alert day for southern Wisconsin. The potential for severe weather again across the entire area. Damaging winds and large hail will be the main threat. Isolated tornadoes are also possible. Here's a look at the radar map this morning. We have some light to moderate rain. No thunder, though, showing up on any of the areas in southern Wisconsin. This rain will continue to weaken as it tracks to the south and east. Rain returns then later on this afternoon into this evening. We're looking at highs right around 85 this afternoon.
Haddie, thank you so much. The big weather story nationally continues to be Tropical Storm Cindy. That system made landfall near the Louisiana-Texas border this morning. Some areas are expecting 15 inches of rain. Forecasters predict it will turn east later today, bringing heavy rain to the mid-Atlantic coast over the weekend. At least one child is dead this morning as a result of this storm.
On Capitol Hill, Senate Republicans will release their plan for repealing and replacing the Affordable Care Act today. Senators from both parties have complained they haven't seen any details yet. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell wants a vote before Congress goes on its summer vacation before the 4th of July. Wisconsin Republican Ron Johnson says this morning he will not vote for the measure unless the public's had enough time to look at it.
The American college student who died after being imprisoned in North Korea will be buried today. 22-year-old Otto Warmbier was released by North Korean officials last week in a coma. Doctors said he had severe neurological injuries. The U.S. has condemned North Korea for holding Warmbier for 17 months after he allegedly stole a political propaganda poster.
Officials this morning are saying that a stabbing at the Flint, Michigan airport is being investigated as an act of terror. A Canadian man from Tunisia originally reportedly shouted in Arabic before stabbing an officer in the neck. The 49-year-old man was taken into custody. The officer is recovering this morning. Officials say the attacker acted alone and is not connected to any wider plan.
A wildfire in a small Utah resort town is burning 5,000 acres, forcing a number of evacuations. That's almost double the span of the fire yesterday morning near Bryan Head. It's about 200 miles north of Las Vegas. 500 firefighters are struggling to put out that wildfire, which is only 15% contained.
6:56 right now. Let's get a final check on our first alert traffic this morning with Josh Tim. Good morning, Josh.
Good morning. Well, delays beginning to pop up on the westbound side of the belt line with brake lights from Stoughton Road to John Nolan Drive, adding 5 to 10 minutes to your time. As we head down John Nolan toward downtown, it's definitely getting busier there as well, with things slowing down between Olin Avenue and Lakeside Street, adding a 5-minute delay. Other travel times on main routes around the city and leading into Madison are moving at the usual speeds, except for one crash on southbound Stoughton Road between Buckeye and Flom Road. I would plan on an extra 10 minutes heading toward the Beltline. With your first alert traffic, I'm Josh Tim.
Thanks, Josh. Have a good day.
Thank you.
And a live look from the WISC-TV Skycam. Cloudy skies here on the west side of town. Temperatures are mild and it is muggy this morning. We still have some light rain shifting through the area, moving to the south and east. rather quickly this morning. Our forecast has temperatures that will climb to a high of 85. Remember, today is an alert day. There is a potential for severe weather coming later today into tonight.
We will continue to follow that severe weather, and on CBS this morning, they are down in the Gulf again following Tropical Storm Cindy.